learn the alphabet A, B, C to Z. It will be a fun-filled day. A is for ant. A is for ant, small and quick. It crawls along and does its trick. It works all day, small but strong, carrying food all day long. See the ant as it walks by, carrying crumbs low and high. B is for bag. B is for bag. Snug and neat. Holds our toys and treats so sweetly. Carry it close on a fun-filled day, packing surprises along the way. Zip it up and swing it around. C is for cup. C is for cup. Small and bright, holding juice or milk just right. Sip your drink with a smile so wide, in your trusty cup by your side. D is for dog. D is for dog, friendly and bright, barking and wagging from morning to night, with a playful leap and a happy run. A faithful friend full of fun. E is for elephant. E is for elephant, big and round, stomping softly across the land, with a long trunk and floppy ears. F is for fish. F is for fish, sleek and quick, swimming in the sea with a happy flick, gliding in waves under a bright blue sky. G is for goat. G is for goat, a happy friend. It bleats and jumps until the day's end. It eats green grass on sunny days and loves to play in funny ways. H is for hen. H is for hen, happy sounds abound, pecking the ground for seeds to pluck. In a warm compound she roams around. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. It is a yummy treat to eat. It comes in many flavors, fun to choose. It melts on a sunny day, but still makes you smile and play. J is for jug. J is for jug, big and wide. It holds water and milk inside. Pour it slow, or pour it fast. A jug is made to last. Lift it up and tip it down. K is for key. K is for key, shiny and small. It opens doors big and tall. Turn it left, turn it right, click. The lock is out of sight. Gold, silver, big or tiny. L is for leg. L is for leg, strong and true, helping us walk and run. Step by step with all our might, legs carry us from morning till night. M is for map. M is for map, flat and wide, showing paths and roads to guide. With hills and rivers, towns so neat. A map helps find each street. Follow the lines, left or right. N is for net. N is for net. It is strong and wide. It catches fish in the ocean tide. Swing it high or throw it low. The net catches things that go. O is for owl. O is for owl, big and wise, with round eyes and up in the sky. At night, it hoots, high in trees with a lovely view. P is for pencil. P is for pencil, thin and long. It helps us write and draw so strongly. Write a word or draw a sun. A pencil makes learning fun. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Kind and fair? She wears a crown and sits in her chair. She rules the land with a gentle smile. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit, soft and quick. It hops on grass and runs so slick. With long ears and a happy hop, the rabbit loves to jump and stop. S is for sea. S is for sea, big and blue. Waves come in and go out. It is deep and wide and fun. A big blue place for everyone. T is for tree. T is for tray, tall and green. It stands in parks and fields so clean. Birds rest in its branches high. Leaves that flutter in the sky. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella, used in the rain. It keeps us dry when clouds cause pain. Hold it high when rain falls. It protects us one and all. V is for van. V is for van, big and strong. It drives on roads all day long. It carries things from here to there. A trusty friend that takes us everywhere. W is for window. W is for window. Clear and bright, it lets in the sun's warm light. We look outside and see the view. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Fun to play. It makes bright sounds all through the day. Hit the bars with a happy tone. Y is for yam. Y is for yam. Bright and sweet. Grows in the ground, a tasty treat. It fills our plates when it's time to eat. Z is for zip. Z is for zip. Quick and neat. It closes your bag in a snap. Slide it up and slide it down. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. With stripes so neat, it runs in the field on strong, fast feet.
Hooray! Happy kid! We have completed our ABC learning for today. Join us tomorrow on this same channel for learning ABC with fun. Please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like and share the post. Bye-bye!